What's going on, guys? Today we got the what's good today. We're going to be going and talking about my $150 pit bike. Now they're actually quite easy to find at that kind of price, but I'm going to give you a little tour of the kind of quality you're going to expect for $150. So yeah, we'll take. So here she is. She's a DMX, unsure of the year. I bought it for $150 about 2 or 3 months ago because there was a race coming up, pit bike race. I needed a pit bike, and this was the only one in town. But so I'll go over some of the features for you. So we got the high performance, extremely dirty air filter. High pressure oil relief system, so whenever the oil pressure gets above 1 psi, it just makes sure to dump it all over me fucking fash plate. She's got a lightweight chain guide there, which always keeps the chain on, and lightweight baffling as well to keep it nice and quiet. Yeah. Oh, and good old Chinesium frame in swing arm. So there's some of the features of it, and I'll take it for a ride in a second. But like, if you get offered a $150 pit bike, be prepared to spend most of the time fixing it. I'm not sure about what kind of luck other people have had, but this thing's just, oh mate, I've had to fix so much shit on it. Mainly broke more shit though. Alright, so I'm going to take his for a ride around and show you what you can expect from this great of a motorcycle. Alright, so we got the track. Don't know whether you can hear me over this. Pretty fucking loud, but we're going to go for a little ride and check shit out, yeah? Oh, and yeah, so that's the track. It's needs a bit of work. It's kind of fucked, but she's alright. Probably just gonna cut a few more laps on this thing. Might get out the 250. I don't know whether I can be bothered or not. I'm in like shorts and a t-shirt now, so I'm not going hard on this either because I'll fucking die. The thing's trying to burn me leg and shit, but fucking she's mid. Fire her back up, first kick, watch this shit. There's another line, we'll take the whoop section this time, eh? Good whoops. Piece of shit. Alright. Oh, fuck. Alright. Give you a quick little tutorial on how to put your chain back on, I guess. Alright, you're just gonna want to grab it and make sure it's around the swing arm there. Then get around this front sprocket. Oh, fucking cunt. Oh, my fingers are all greasy. Alright, I'm gonna do this way so I don't have to hold the black. Alright, around the sprocket, over the top of that, on your roller, and sit it on the top of your back sprocket, and just roll it on back. And there you go, and then it changes back on. Little bitch. Okay, it is pretty loose. But I have no chain guide, so that shit just likes to pop off every now and then. Fuck my leg. Exhaust is burning. Gripping too hard. Alright. Oh, come on. What's wrong? Sounds fucking weird. Never mind, it's alright. See if we can get a little wheelie going, eh? Fucking, oh, alright. I think that's gonna be it for this video. I'm sick of this shit, what the hell. Alright, so I think that's gonna be it for this video. Fucking, I'm sick of that shit. That's really fucking annoying. Oh mate. Look, she did alright. Ignore the oil pissing everywhere. All over the black. Well, I shouldn't say pissing, it's just a slow leak, but every single hole in the motor has just got oil coming out of it. I think the oil's pretty gross as well. I only use second-hand oil in it because it's a piece of crap, doesn't deserve any better. But yeah. Not sure what else we can do. It's probably going to be a pretty short video. But that is what it's like to own a $150 pit bike. It's a struggle. So I guess with chain guide it'd be better. Oh, and some suspension. You can't really tell in the video, but this track's rough as fuck, and this thing just bottoms out constantly, which is fun. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Fucking see you in the next one.